Greetings YouTube. I've had this 37 tooth gear sprocket lying around for a long time and needed to get it ready to go on the wind turbine. Basically the process involves drilling a 25mm hole in the middle here. It's at 12mm at the moment. I'm going to use the step drill to take out a fair bit of it. Then I'm going to use this to drill all the way through, hopefully get it nice and central, and then we need to weld one of these right in the middle. And we have our screw thread there to tighten the sprocket assembly up on the drive shaft. Sweet! I'm going to be using this WD-40 cutting oil, which is great stuff, and will make your drill bits last a lot longer. Got a dirty bucket there to accept all the drippings. We'll be drilling at 260 RPM, which is the lowest. That's what we've ended up with, not quite completed. I'm just going to clean that up a minute. Yeah, there's definitely enough speed to get that bigger gear on the turbine for sure. Really the all-important test is, are we the same amount of space away from the outside of the hole? Yes, perfect. Yep, it's perfectly in the centre. Sweet, so that's the first part done. I've got a new welder that I haven't even used yet, so that will be, we'll weld it together in the second part, and you'll see that will fit over nicely, and then the gear will look like that. Sweet, see you in the next video, bye!